Do you listen? Simpleng tanong, pero nakikinig ka nga ba talaga? Do you try to understand the person you're talking to? Madalas ang problema sa atin, we listen to reply, but not to understand. Hindi ka makaantay na magsalita, yung ipaabot yung point mo. Kaya madalas nag-aaway, we have to seek to understand bago tayo maintindihan ng iba. Kasi if the other person doesn't feel like he or she is listened to, then why would that other person listen to you? Sabi nga ni Stephen Covey, seek to understand, then be understood. Ganon din sa prayer life natin. Hingi lang ba tayo ng hingi kay Lord? Or nakikinig nga ba tayo sa Kanya? Yung salita niya, iniintindi ba natin? Pinagdadasal ba natin ano ang sinasabi ni Lord through the gospel? If you want to be a good friend, a good spouse, a good co-worker, be a good listener first. Because wisdom starts with humility, and a humble person listens.